Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire TV Stick not installing apps. Now the first thing to check is if your internet is working, and you can do this on your mobile phone if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, so you can swipe down on the iPhone and check here that you're connected to the internet. As we can see, we are. Now, let's move on to the next step once you're sure you're connected to the internet. Now we've done that, what you want to do is come all the way to the right, here, to the settings icon. This is the little cog on the far right. Once we've gone into the settings, we want to come down to applications. Then within applications, come all the way down to the bottom to manage installed applications. And you want to look here in the middle, internal space. And you want to make sure you have plenty of space left. If you don't, what you want to do is come into Manage Installed Applications. Now, these are all your applications that are installed on your Fire Stick. And if there's something that you no longer use, or multiple, let's just say we want to delete this Max, you can go into it, come down, you can clear the cache. This will take some data. However, it doesn't clear too much. So you want to uninstall it. And you can do this by coming up to uninstall, and then you can confirm it, and this should free up some space so you can install other apps on your Fire Stick. Now what we can do, now we've done that and apps are still not installing, we can come back and then come down to My Fire TV. Then we want to go into About, then we want to come down and select Install Update. And the reason we do this is because sometimes there can be a bug in your Fire TV Stick which is causing apps to not be allowed to download. So updates may fix the problem. Now if none of them solutions work, what you want to do is the last resort, and that's factory reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Now I have a video linked down below or in the card above if you want to do that. However, I'd try all these steps first before you resort to that, as everything else will need to be reinstalled, so all your apps, and you'll need to log back in to all them apps that you've logged into. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.